Now, the major reason why you see your body cream will stop working on your skin is because it's not penetrating into your skin properly. There's no proper exfoliation going on your skin, and also because there's no regeneration of new skin cells. So your product is on your skin is because it's no longer penetrating into your skin, right? Your skin is not regenerating. That's why you see that your body lotions will stop working on your skin and you're not seeing results. In this video, I'm going to teach you the effective way on how to use your body lotions and how they are going to work effectively on your skin and give you the result your skin really need. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about two things that will help your product to work effectively, which is body polishing and exfoliation using of scrub. Now, I will emphasize more on body polishing because body polishing does a lot when it comes to the skin, more than even you using body scrubs to exfoliate your skin. Now, what is body polishing? Body polishing offers numerous benefits to the skin, which is majorly exfoliation of the skin, moisturizing of your skin as well. Now, this also help you to remove dead skin cell from your skin, unclog your pores so that your product can penetrate even better. This also help with healthy skin. It also promotes brighter and smoother complexion. Body polishing also help with anti-aging. It also give you that youthful glow, give you that smooth complexion, and also your skin will look always glowy, and you will not suffer with dull skin. Why? Because you're exfoliating properly and because you're giving your skin what it actually needs. Now, most importantly, it also help to promote blood circulation, which eventually give your skin that boost it need to have the radiance. Before showing you the proper way on how to polish your skin at home, I'll be showing you the difference between body scrubs and scrubs that are used for body polishing. Now, this is a body scrub, right? This is also a body scrub, but this is a polishing body scrub, while this is a normal scrub that you just use to exfoliate your skin. Now, what is the difference between this scrub and body polishing scrub? This particular scrub, we have different types. We have salt scrub and we have sugar scrub. Now, sugar scrub are quite mild to the skin and don't really irritate the skin, but they give you the job of exfoliating your skin and also unclogging your pores. They also help with regeneration of new skin cells as well. Now, this is a soft scrub. This is a salt scrub. The reason why I love soft scrub more than sugar scrubs is because these have a lot of minerals in them and vitamins that it delivers to the skin even while exfoliating your skin. They help to. Now, also, salt scrub also help you to deliver antioxidant benefits to the skin. Now, let me show you the proper way on how to polish your skin at home. Now, the first thing you need to do is get your gloves. You see, this is the important step in this whole routine of body polishing. Why? Because this will help you with stimulation of collagen. It also helps to promote blood flow, and this also helps to unclog your pores and also keep bacteria on your skin. Now, we'll go ahead and put on our gloves. Now, here is my glove. This glove is already wet, right? Now, go ahead and wet my skin a bit, because the moment you want to exfoliate your skin, you want to exfoliate your skin on a damp skin, and make sure you've washed your skin before exfoliating it. Reason is because it just helps your scrub to penetrate better and work even better on a cleaner surface rather than just using it on a dirty skin without washing it. So this is wet. I'm going to dab some water on my skin as well so that I can get this slicky smooth movement on my skin, and I can also go in a circular motion as well. Now, here, trying to wet my skin before applying my body polish. Now, this is the body polish. Don't forget, this is not a normal scrub. Now, this particular body polish has more intense ingredient compared to a normal body scrub, right? This has salicylic acid 3%. If it's normal scrub, now maybe you can get 0.5% or just 1% or just 2% or 1% of salicylic acid, but this has 3% of salicylic acid. This has turmeric, good concentration, and also sandalwood. This have neem extract. This is like a herbal way of detoxing your system and also polishing your skin and also helping to exfoliate your skin at the same time. Now, these also have natural oils in it that helps to moisturize your skin. Remember, body polishing does not only exfoliate your skin, it also helps to moisturize your skin. So your body polish must have moisturizing properties in it if you really want to get that balance. So here I'm using this. You can see it's almost done, right? So we'll get some of it. We'll go ahead and exfoliate. In this part, you don't just want to manage. You don't want to manage. You want to use some good amount because you're polishing your skin. Remember, if you're polishing your skin, you really want everything to penetrate really deep. So you don't want to manage. You want to get good amount of your product and apply it on your skin. You want to use it as a mask on your skin. So you go ahead, while exfoliating, please be gentle on your skin. Don't be harsh. Don't go and be scrubbing too hard. No, mild way, and you're doing it in the circular motion to get that proper blood flow on your skin so that your skin can really regenerate and you have a smoother surface to work with. So here, right, you can always add water to it. Adding water to your scrub at every point while exfoliating will just properly help you to exfoliate properly without causing too much friction on your skin or causing tear on your skin. So that's it. Now, one good thing about body polishing as well is that it also helps to get rid of dark knuckles. So if you're someone that struggles with a lot of dark knuckles, your hands are dark, you want to start incorporating this in your routine, right, to get proper exfoliation and also help you to get rid of dark marks. If you're having dark nails, dark thighs, dark under your armpit is dark, your inner thigh is dark, and you really want to brighten, this is the sure way of brightening your skin, because it's just eventually going to allow your skincare product to work effectively. And this process also will brighten you even without you using any lightening or bleaching products. So all you even need is a mild product to go in with after exfoliating your skin. So this is it. And make sure when you're using it on your knuckles, you always want to concentrate on the areas you have dark knuckles so that you can properly get rid of the darkening in that area as well. So here it is, circular motion in a very, very gentle way. Don't forget those areas. Make sure you're going to leave your body polish on your skin. Now this is after washing my face. Go in and use my routine. Now this is the proper routine you should be using anytime you exfoliate or you polish your skin. You want to go in with your body serum, your body lotion, then your body oil, so that to lock in moisture and also help to brighten your skin. This is a sure way of getting rid of dark spots. This is the dark spot hyperpigmentation on your skin. Going in with my body serum. This serum contains AHA in it that helps to gently exfoliate as well and brightens the skin. So I'll be going in with this. This is the glowy body serum. So here's my body serum. I don't want your skin to be dry while doing this. You want to lock in moisture, so you're going to do it on a damp skin. You see my skin is still wet while doing this, so I'll go in with this. Then I'll go in with my body lotion. Then I'll be going in now with my body lotion. I use Olay, right? Then I'll go in my body oil after this. So this is my lotion. This is on the oil. You can see the difference, right? You can see the difference between this and this. This is one I did not exfoliate this hand. This was the hand I exfoliated. You can see how glowy and baby oil to get that proper moisture on our skin and also help to lock in moisture. You can see, right? Just see the difference. You can see the difference. I don't need to talk too much. You can see the difference, right? Look at the knuckles. Look at it. So tell me, this is a sure way on how to get a brighter skin, get rid of dull skin hyperpigmentation. If you're still here at this time, that means you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and